Hey, what's up everybody? So really quick right here, this is how you're gonna untape this. It's got that 3M tape right there, so this is gonna come off. You just pry this one off, add your new cover on, clean this up, and you're good to go. Good morning everyone. So last night went ahead and we popped this in. Looks good. And like I said, it was really easy. I'm glad that's all black. It doesn't have those little chrome little rivets there. But yeah, it's all starting to come together pretty good. Wanted to show you guys this also really quick. I'm gonna do a little project here. Let's come on, got the tools out. I was missing that little cap. Finally found it. So now I got all 4 caps. Makes it look much better. Hey guys, well, thanks for watching. More videos to come. If you like, please subscribe.